Metro by T-Mobile offers convenient ways to pay your bill through the app or website. Download the Metro app on iOS or Android. Log in using Face ID or fingerprint for security. Navigate to the Pay Bill section, enter the amount, and select your payment method. Choose from credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, or Venmo. For desktop users, visit the My Metro website. Sign in, go to the Billing tab, and follow the same process. Payments are applied immediately with confirmation notifications. Your information is protected by encryption, and the minimum payment is $10. AutoPay is Metro by T-Mobile's automatic payment system, allowing you to avoid late fees and ensure uninterrupted service. Enroll through the Metro by T-Mobile app or the My Metro website by linking a bank account or credit debit card. Payments are automatically debited on your due date. A recent update introduces smart billing, which adjusts your payment amount based on data usage to prevent overage charges. You can also link multiple payment sources to your account. Metro sends notifications 3 to 5 days in advance of the scheduled payment. All AutoPay methods use encryption to protect sensitive financial data, and funds are pulled without storing your full account details. You can pause or cancel AutoPay at any time through the app or website.